And it's not just this agency or the people, it's the system. We're talking about an insane world we live in. Yes. I want to be effective in figuring out how to mobilize it. Yeah. I respect both of you for doing that. I'm just wondering if there's anything I can do.
Well, look, yeah, I totally get it. The system is absolutely insane.
It's insane.
It's inhumane.
Yeah.
It's dark. It's blind. It's unconscious. Mm-hmm. That's how it is. Mm-hmm. Okay? That's actually how it is. We do what we can. Mm-hmm. All I can tell you is that the more you work it through and the less frustrated you get, the less emotional you get around it, the more effective you'll be. The more effective you'll be able to be. And at what point am I going to accept that for all my books and for all the speaking that I do and for all the information I convey and all the personal transformation that I practice or manifest, the world's not going to change. The system's not going to change because I'm doing all this work. And at the moment where I can't accept that, I should really give up. So that what I'm suggesting to you is remove the goal from your life of changing the system, of your life of changing the system. Take on the goal of doing your very best at any given moment. And trust that there's a truth working in the universe that's bigger than you and I and bigger than the system. And whatever you can contribute to that, manifesting that truth, will be a contribution.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.